Alright, welcome back everybody. This is what I'm calling a mini review for your quiz. Quiz is going to have basically three main topics on it. Can you translate? Can you solve? Can you graph? That's it. Again, we're going to be focused still on these two standards, which are standards that we used when we were solving equations. Can you solve equations? But now I'm using the and inequalities. Can you translate equations and inequalities? And our last one is, can you graph them? And that's what we're going to be focused on for this review. So very quickly, translate. 4 more than twice a number is at most 18. 4 more than, I'm going to underline now, twice a number is at most 18. Alright, let's start with some of these. More than. If it doesn't say is more than, then more than just means plus. Twice means 2 times, right? And then is at most is one of our inequality symbols. So let's read it one more time. 4 more than twice a number we're going to use the variable x, is at most 18. Okay, so now I get stuck sometimes. I have to stop and go, okay, wait, at most, at least. You have to be at least 16 to drive, which means you have to be greater than or equal to 16. So at most is the opposite of at least. So if this is the symbol for at least, then at most is going to be that. Another way to think of that is the most it could be is 18. The most it could be is 18. So it's 18 or less, if that makes sense. So this is my correctly translated inequality. 4 more than twice a number is at most 18. Alright, 2 more things to do with this and then you're done reviewing. It's that simple. Okay, so the last 2 parts of this review sheet are you have to solve the inequality that you translated and you have to graph your solution set. So let's start with solving. So again, just like an equation, I'm going to draw my line down where my inequality symbol is. I'm going to take a look. Do I have to do anything first? Simplify anything first? No. The right side is fine. The left side looks good. I have to get rid of any adding or subtracting first. So I'm going to get rid of this 4 first because this is the adding part and the 2 is being multiplied. So to get rid of this 4, if I write plus 4, it won't cross out. So I have to write minus 4 on both sides. 4 minus 4 crosses out. Crosses out to be 0. Sorry. And then I'm left with 2x on this side. I didn't do any multiplying or dividing by a negative number, so my symbol stays the same. 18 minus 4 makes 14. Undo that multiplying by dividing by 2 on both sides. Final answer, again, no dividing by a negative number, so my symbol stays. Final answer, x is less than or equal to 7. Final step is graphing it. So I'm going to quickly draw a little number line. Remember, our number that is in the answer is going to go in the middle to make our number line look nice and evenly spaced. We're going to put 2 dashes on the left and right side and label the whole number line. So 7, the next number would be 8, the next number would be 9, and if I'm going backwards, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. There we go. Now I have to decide what kind of dot 7 gets based on the symbol here. It's less than or equal to 7. So if it's equal to it, I'm going to color the dot in because 7 could be an answer based on this symbol. Because my variable is in the first spot, I'm going to look at that symbol. That symbol is telling me to draw my arrow to the left. And there you go. So all of these numbers are less than or equal to 7. And that is that. So if you can do all of those things, then you are definitely ready for your quiz. Looking forward to seeing you soon.